Hello programmers. So far you have created quite many programs using arithmetic operators. We are going to create one more program called age calculator using arithmetic operators. But here, of course, I'm going to introduce something new called algorithm. Now, many of you already are familiar with this term algorithm. But anyway, I wanted to introduce it here because, in real life, you'll create algorithm first, and then you are going to create flowchart, and then you are going to come to the C program part. But let me show you what is basically algorithm is. So here I'm going to create a new file. Let's call it age calculator. You can call it anything, again, doesn't matter. And then extension will be C for sure. Here I'm going to create the basic structure, but before even basic structure, we are starting with algorithm this time, okay? So what we want to do, we want to create a program called age calculator. This is our task. So this is our problem that we want to solve with the help of a C program, right? So let's try to understand what we have to do. So algorithm is basically step-by-step process to solve a problem. Again, algorithm is not C program. It's not about any programming. It's just your plan that you want to solve a problem, but it will be a step-by-step solving process. So let's say in step number 1, you will say, okay, I will start the problem solving here. And then I'm going to take the user birth year, because in order to find the age of the user, I need to know their birth year, right? So our second step will be, we will get the input from the user and it's going to be their birth year, right? In the third step, you will say, okay, now that I have the birth year, I need to know what is the current year. So here we are going to get the input of the current year from the user, okay? So again, this is algorithm what we're doing. We're not doing any programming here. It's our first step. We are, making our plans. Step number 4, now that we have our birth year, user birth year, and also current year, we can calculate the user age. Calculate the age. And how can we do this? We can, subtract the birth year from the current year, and that will help us to calculate the age. Step number 5, now that we have calculated the age, we can display the result or display the user age. Here we're going to do that. And that's all, we are done. So the last step will be here, N. So this is the algorithm that I wanted to show you, how basically we, first make our plan and then we solve the problem. So here, let me just cut everything from here and paste it here. So this is the algorithm part for calculating the age. Here, let me just get rid of this part. Okay, hopefully you have understood the concept of algorithm. Now, by looking at the algorithm, you can create the flowchart, which is another step, something maybe I will show you in future. But from this algorithm directly, we can start solving this problem or implementing this step, okay? So first step, we need to start the program, and we know how to do that. We are going to create our basic structure. So let's do the hash include, and then studio.h, and then we can go with the integer main as usual, and this is our first step, right? And also we can put return 0, which is going to be in the end anyway. So these are 2 steps we already done. Now let's start with this. Input the birth year. So we want to get the user's birth year. Also, we want to get the user's current year, and then we want to calculate the age. So there are 3 variables we need at this point. Again, we can do it like this. Let's say you want to get the input here. So you can ask the user, printf. Here we're going to ask the user to give their birth year, enter your birth year. Okay, let's do it like this. Enter your birth year. Birth year. Fine. And user will give their birth year, and we need to get it with the help of scanf. So let's say scanf, and here we're going to get it. It's going to be an integer, of course, the year. So that's why I'm using %d. And then we need to store inside a variable. So that's why we need to define a variable here. Let's say integer birth year. All right, now that we have the variable birth year, we can assign this value inside the scanf. Here I'm going to say birth year. That's all, step by step. So this step is done. Input the birth year. Now we can get the user's current, or from the users the current year, right? So this is the second step I want to do. I'm going to copy and paste. Here I'm going to ask the user to give me the current year where we're using this program. And here I'm going to use a variable called current year in order to store. Of course, I need to define this before even using. So that's why I'm defining this variable, right? So step 1, 2, 3 done. Now we need to calculate the age. So how can we calculate the age? All we have to do, we have to subtract this word year from current year. That's all. And after that we have done, of course we can do it like this, before even moving further, we can calculate and print it immediately, but I do not want to do that. So what I want to do, I want to keep this result inside a variable. So let's say the variable is going to be age, and here I'm going to put the age. That's all. So we have done this step as well, calculating the age. Now we need to display the age. So let's do that. Here I'm going to just copy and paste one printf just to save the time. And let's call it your age is, something like this, your age is. And then maybe somebody is 25 years. So I'm going to say here %d years, because this is something going to be dynamic in our case. We have the value already inside the age. So let me print it from there. I'm going to print a new line here as well. And in the end, the variable name is age. That's all. Now let me run this program and let's see what happens if I run this program. Here I'm compiling this and the output should be here very soon. Just a little bit time it's taking. Okay, enter the vert here. So let's say current my vert is 1990 for an instance. And then it is asking us to give the current year. So here I'm going to give the current year 2026, right? And it says your age is 36 years old here. Okay. So hopefully you got the idea how we have done it. There are different types of ways we can do it. We can validate the input, and there are different ways we can calculate the age using only birth year only. We can get the current year. We can already set the current year here, or also we could use some date function to get the current year. There are many ways, but I wanted to keep it simple because here my main target is to explaining what is algorithm and how to use algorithm in real life. So first, always when you have a problem, you will think step-by-step process to solve the problem, and then you will start implementing your code. So hopefully things had made sense to you.